I'm really excited to share with you this month's clickable calendar for June 2025. This month's theme is connection. So Tai Chi not only helps to reduce stress, but it also helps to improve strength, flexibility, and balance and connection with yourself and with others. For those that don't know me, my name is Dr. Adam Potts, the Tai Chi PT. I've been a physical therapist and Tai Chi instructor for over 10 years with thousands of students from all over the world. And so every month we do a clickable calendar to where you get a free class every single day. So if you download the calendar, you can just click on a class and it'll bring you right to the YouTube video. All right, so you can put in your information below and then hit send me the calendar and you'll get the clickable calendar right to your inbox. All right, then you just download it and then you can click on it. And so how it works is there's basically all the classes on there are already available except for Tuesdays and Saturdays. All right, Tuesdays we have a live class every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time US, so that won't be available until we actually do it live. And then that'll be available afterwards, anytime. All right, and then on Saturdays, we have a new recorded class at 6 a.m. Eastern Time every Saturday. So that won't be available until that date at 6 a.m. And then after that, you can watch it anytime. All right, I'm really excited. Once again, make sure to put your info in the space below. Click on send me the calendar and you'll get it right in your inbox and you can join us for this month's theme of connection. Thank you so much, and I look forward to sharing these practices with you.